On my previous video I showed you how I discovered I'd got some Gala Music Tokens worth just under $6,500. I was completely oblivious to this and so do check out the video. I'll put it on screen now if you want to go and watch that. If you've got a founders node with Gala and you haven't checked your Gala Music account, then you may well have some Gala token, music token ready for you there. So on this video I'm going to show you how to convert this and mint this, so you can now then use this to purchase music nodes if you want to, or you can sell it back to your chosen currency or whatever. So let's go through this. So we're on music.gala.com. You log in using your Gala account. If you're not yet signed up for music or Gala film or Gala games, do go to gogala.co.uk, sign up there. You'll get my referral link. You might well end up getting a bonus by using my referral link to join Gala. So if you're into music, if you're into films, if you're into games, then do go there. Now, assuming you are already a Gala node holder and you've got some Gala music in your galachain allowance, this is where you find it. So music.gala.com, log into your account, go to your name at the top right hand corner, and you need to click on this see all in terms of balances. I didn't know it was here, so you click on see all, and here is where you see your Gala chain allowance, your full amount. So I've got 43,484.25 music tokens here worth $6,400 US. So let's click on mint $music. So we come in here to mint this. We're going to mint the max and we need our transfer code. This is something which you need to remember from when you set up your Gala node, your transfer code, which is not your password. This is your transfer code to allow you to transfer and convert cryptocurrencies within Gala. So it's not your login, it's completely separate. So I'm going to paste in my transfer code there. Hit accept, and this time, here we go, it's spinning round, and bingo, success, your mint is in progress. Typically this takes about 5 minutes. So do watch out for my next video, which will be the next step in this process. But that's very simply how to mint your music token from your Gala chain allowance, and that will next appear, well, it's already appeared here actually on the music Gala chain blockchain, so we can see that, and let's no transactions found in there just yet, but we can see that is now on the Gala chain blockchain. So do check out my next video, because what I'm going to do as well is I'm actually going to purchase some music nodes, or called jukeboxes. Really excited about this because the penny has dropped for me on this, having read the white paper a few times now. Couldn't quite work out how they were going to make money. It's now, to me, very obvious. This is a really hot business. Very few people are aware of this. Do subscribe to my channel if you want to be kept up to date with simple tutorial videos, that sort of thing, on Gala Music. We'll also be doing Gala Film and Gala Games, still focusing on these. Really excited on that. And again, one final reminder, if you've not yet signed up for Gala at all, it's not too late. They've got invite and earn. So even if you're not a node holder, you can still get inviting people. It's free to join, invite people, start to build up your social network again. They've reintroduced, or about to reintroduce, the referral network, which will be really beneficial as well. So go to gogala.co.uk, sign up there for your Gala accounts. I will also be putting up a email newsletter, probably starting a Telegram channel, all sorts of things, just to help support you in this process. Really exciting times. By the way, there's the white paper down on Gala Music. Do have a read of that as well. I'll see you on the next video.